Got a good turnout here at Texpo 2025 here in Frisco. It's real electric down there. We got some great speakers going on. We got great camaraderie and networking going on in the hallways. We got a lot of great vendors.
Everybody should come to Texpo just because it's a great way to connect with your other doctors. We have phenomenal speakers, great education moments, and you get to meet with all your friends. What is better than that?
TCA is an amazing association for the profession. They're doing a lot to get engagement with the chiropractors. They're doing a lot to advocate for the profession.
I would recommend in any way, if you can give money, if you can give time, talent, energy, even if it's just coming to an event, that makes such a huge difference in allowing those people that are working to protect, preserve, and promote our profession, to allow them to amplify their message.
Chiropractors aren't just coming here because they need continued education. They want real growth in their life. So I felt that culture, that everyone here was a community of people that cared about their patients and cared about growth for the future. And I think that's an amazing thing. So if you didn't come to the event, you should be coming to next year's event.